Too many Jacks. 1. A nice gift. Look, the lady got Jack a nice gift. What's in that box?
What is that gift?
It's a lab kit. A lab kit for Jack. Jack, don't be sad. What did you wish for? Jack, it can't always be snacks. You can't have lipstick. You make a mess. Just go play with your kit. Not in the house, Jack. Out there, in the shed. Wait, give me that test tube and that fuse. Okay, Jack? 2. The shed. Jack works in the shed. The shed is his lab. Jack has been there all day. He must love that gift. Bang, crash. What was that bang? What was that crash? Jack! Jack? 3. It has been 5 days. Jack is still in his lab. Jack, come out here. We will give you a snack. Jack, you look proud. Jack, you look glad. Show us what you made in your lab. Oh my, Jack made a Jack? Hi, Jack. And
Hi, Jack.